Hello, Takoradi. China Mall is here, and if you're wondering how to get there, I've got simple directions for you. Let's go. From Market Circle, drive towards Tanokrom. Stay on the main Takoradi-Accra Interchange Road. China Mall is located just next to KFC Takoradi. If you see KFC, you're almost there. KFC